Hi everyone, this is Ania here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to draw the vector equilibrium sacred geometry figure in Affinity Designer. The vector equilibrium is an important figure in sacred geometry. It represents stability, harmony, and balance in the natural order. So first we go ahead to File and we create a new square document, and we give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. And then we click Create. And then we add horizontal and vertical center guides to the document. And then we go here and we select the polygon tool. We set the fill to none, the stroke to black, the stroke width to 2 pixels, and the number of sides to 6. And then starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Shift and Control, we expand the figure until it has 1400 pixels in dimensions. So now we have the hexagon. We are going to start connecting its point with the pen tool. So we take the pen tool, we leave the settings as they were, and here we go ahead and we draw a triangle to connect these points, and then we press Escape, and then we go ahead and we draw another triangle. And then we press Escape again, and then we go ahead and we connect all the opposing points, and then we press Escape, so now that we have connected all the points, so we select the two triangles while holding Shift. So here we need to remove the part here that is between the intersection of the triangles. So we are going to do it with the Divide tool. So we click on Divide. So that breaks the triangles into pieces. And now while holding Shift, we select all the parts here that are between the intersections of the triangles. And then we click Delete. And now with the pen tool again, we are going to connect the points here, the intersection of the triangles. So first we draw a triangle, like last time, and then we press Escape, and then we go ahead and we draw another triangle, and then we press Escape again, and now we are going to connect the opposing points of the intersections, like this. Then we press Escape, and then we connect this point with this point, and then we press Escape again, and then we connect to this point with this point. So now we have the figure that is complete. So you learn how to draw the vector equilibrium in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye!